Imagine stepping into a dining room that wraps you in warmth like a soft autumn embrace. Today, we are diving into the Amber Embrace palette, consisting of 3 tender hues designed to create a space that's both cozy and sophisticated. Welcome to the soft autumn color palette, Amber Embrace, for a cozy, sophisticated dining room. Our first color is Peach Nectar, the delicate blush of a ripening peach. This hue adds a soft radiance, perfect for dining chair cushions, a flowing table runner, or even hand-painted ceramic tableware. It's like sunlight filtering through autumn leaves, casting a warm glow over every meal. Our next color is Rustling Leaves, a muted terracotta that whispers of fallen foliage. Use it in rugs, curtains, or shelves to ground the space with earthy depth. Finally, we have Lemon Mist, a hint of ivory with golden undertones. Paint your walls with this shade to reflect soft light, creating an airy yet warm backdrop. Pair all of these colors with natural textures. Think linen table runners, woven placemats, and amber glassware. Add a few sprigs of dried pampas grass for organic charm. The Amber Embrace palette turns your dining room into a sanctuary where autumn's warmth meets timeless elegance. Which hue is your favorite? Let me know below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and download this and other free PDF palettes on my site. Just click the link in the description below. Until next time, season your home with seasonal colors.